Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix missing action center in corner of Windows PC or laptop. So guys, if you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11 and in this corner you will see action center icon. So to show, right click on taskbar. Now click on taskbar settings. Now in here select system. Now here is the option action center. So toggle to on position. So just you need to toggle to on position. That's it. So like this guys, you can show and you can fix missing action center icon in this corner Windows. Thanks for watching. Please comment if this video useful for you or not.